Welcome back to Safety Talks at Loudon Mill. Today, let's take a moment to review what it means to be ready for work when you arrive on site each day. Personal appearance is an important part of staying safe here. At Loudon Mill, coats, jackets, or shirts with exposed hoods or drawstrings must not be worn inside production areas or maintenance shops. Loose hoods and drawstrings can get caught in equipment or block your peripheral vision, especially when working around moving machinery and mobile equipment. Whether you're in shipping, stores, maintenance shops, or simply walking through indoor operating areas, exposed hoods and drawstrings are not allowed. And if you're driving mobile equipment like a forklift, bobcat, or front-end loader, these hazards become even more serious. Let's talk about cold weather exceptions, because we know Tennessee doesn't always stay warm. When working outside and not operating mobile equipment, hooded apparel can be worn only if the drawstrings are secured. Secured means rolled up, taped, tied off, or otherwise not hanging loose. Just tucking them into the shirt doesn't count. Inside operational areas, if you need warmth, choose safe alternatives. Head coverings must fit snugly, have no loose flaps or strings, and must not limit your peripheral vision. On screen, you'll see some good examples you can choose from, and a few that are not approved. Along with proper apparel, every person in operating areas must wear the required personal protective equipment. That includes safety toe footwear, safety glasses, hearing protection, and high-visibility clothing. Also, it is required that your safety vest and jackets must be fastened together in the front at all times. If you're in an operational zone, these items are not optional. They are part of how we protect you and your coworkers. During low-light conditions, from dusk until dawn, staying visible becomes even more critical. Anytime you're in the shipping yard or walking to and from the drum pulper building, your high-visibility gear must have reflective striping. If headlights can't catch you, others can't see you, so reflective gear is essential. So remember, showing up in the right apparel and PPE isn't just a rule. It's how we make sure everyone goes home safe at the end of the day. So, let's be ready, be visible, be compliant. Until next time, thanks for doing your part to keep Loudon Mill safe.